Sorry, I've got a bit of a sore throat. I was screaming earlier. Right, this is the video I talked about in the last video. These are my shoutouts. Yeah, now you know what this video is going to be about. Woohoo! My first shoutout is to, this is actually a video response, I guess, but my first shoutout is to Justine. This is Zori's bitch. Hi, you big hoe. I don't know what to say. You own as well. Yes. My second shout out is to I don't know if she has a YouTube, but wait, no, that's the other one. Deco. She knows who she is. And I just want to tell you, Seme, that Uki is always here for you, even if Uki is being depressed. And my third shout out is to Misa, because we've been through so much shit together, but we're still friends, and yeah, it's pretty awesome. And another shout out to Teenage Atheist, because you rock, because we've never had an argument, and we've known each other for like 1.5 years, which is epic, to be quite honest. Yeah, I just went like really happy. And another shout out is to Sophie Shitface. She won't give me her YouTube account, I don't know why, but she'll get a link to this. So hi Sophie, and another shout out to everyone who goes Abby, who probably won't watch this, but still, hi. That's me, over and out. Or at least it would be if I press the button. I'll get it now. Bye!